Today, we will talk about database management in AGen Software. You can find the database management and setting at the left sidebar. In this page, you can see the database management table in the page. There's a page QR code button which can give a QR code to scan. After scanning the QR code, you can enter the page with other devices. You can click the button at the center to select the database you needed. At the right side, there is a column info button to show what column and attribute is in the selected database. There are select, insert, update and delete which can help you to make changes to your database. The query will be automatically added in the text box below for you to make changes. After making changes to the SQL query, you can press the Execute Query button to execute your SQL query. The SQL query result will be preview at the bottom of the page. The result will also give its version.